Looking for the perfect blend of pocket-sized power and big-screen enjoyment? Meet the Alldocube iPlay 50 Mini Pro, a tablet that redefines portable entertainment and productivity without emptying your wallet. The iPlay 50 Mini Pro's design strikes a harmonious balance between modern styling and functionality. Its lightweight construction and subtly curved edges make it comfortable to hold for extended periods, whether you're engrossed in a book, sketching out a new design, or catching up on your favorite shows. The real showstopper, however, is the bright and immersive 8.4-inch display. Its impressive resolution ensures crisp visuals, whether you're reading fine print, browsing photos, or playing fast-paced games. This small but mighty tablet packs a serious punch, courtesy of its Helio G99 processor. Enjoy zippy app launches, responsive web browsing, and incredibly smooth gaming experiences. If you're tired of dealing with lag or choppy graphics on your budget-friendly devices, the iPlay 50 Mini Pro could be your answer. The Alldocube iPlay 50 Mini Pro is built to be your all-day companion. Its generous battery ensures you won't miss a beat when binge-watching the latest series, jamming to your playlists, or engaging with your favorite apps. It also handles video calls with ease, making it convenient for remotely staying connected with work colleagues, friends, or loved ones. At its core, the Alldocube iPlay 50 Mini Pro is an incredibly versatile device, but it truly shines when you consider its value. Whether you need a dedicated tool for schoolwork, a compact tablet for your artistic endeavors, or a portable family-friendly entertainment hub, its blend of affordability and features is tough to beat. If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly tablet that punches well above its weight class, the Alldocube iPlay 50 Mini Pro is worthy of serious consideration. It's the perfect way to step up your mobile experience with portable power, sharp visuals, and long-lasting performance. Want to check out all the specs or where to find the Alldocube iPlay 50 Mini Pro? Hit the link in the description. That's a wrap on this review. Be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching.